We are going to be installing Linux in a virtual machine. Virtual machine gives us the power to run one operating system inside of another without needing another physical machine. They also give us the power to save overprocess in the form of snapshots. For this course, we will be using Oracle VirtualBox. You can download VirtualBox free from virtualbox.org. To install VirtualBox, click on the last download VirtualBox icon. You will see that VirtualBox platform packages come in four flavors: Windows, OS X, Linux, and Solaris. I am using Windows, so I am going to click on the Windows host link. This will download VirtualBox to my machine. Once that downloads, click on it. The VirtualBox installer will pop up. You want to click on Next, and here a list of features that VirtualBox want to install. Take the default and click on Next. Now you have three options: create a shortcut on desktop, create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, register file associations. I am using to take the default for all three. Click on Next, click on Yes to start the installation, and then click on Install. If you get a user account control dialog box, click on Yes. On the last dialog of installer, you have the option to start VirtualBox after installation. Uncheck this box and click on Finish. Now that VirtualBox is installed, you will want to install the extension package on the same page of the VirtualBox website. Below the platform package, you will see VirtualBox Oracle VM extension pack. Notice that the VirtualBox platform packages are specified to an operating system. You have VirtualBox for Windows, OS X, Linux, and Solaris. However, the extension package is specified to the version of VirtualBox, so we will want to click on all supported platforms, and this will download the extension pack. Once it downloads, click on it. This will start up the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, and it will ask you to install the extension pack. Click on Install. You will need to agree the personal use and environment license. Scroll to the bottom and the Agree button will be unghosted. If you see a user account control dialog box, you will want to click Yes to install. Now our extension pack is installed. Click on OK. To verify this, go to the File menu, click on Preferences, and then click on Extensions. You will see the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack installed. This is how you install VirtualBox on Windows. In the next video, we will install Linux on VirtualBox. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like it, and subscribe this channel for upcoming future videos, and comment your queries we will answer shortly.